If you are new to EverWeb, you may want some help with installing the product or with setting up your very first EverWeb website project. If you're an experienced EverWeb user, you may want help to better understand a particular EverWeb feature, or you may have a question on how best to achieve your website design goal, or a technical issue that you can't resolve on your own. EverWeb has many ways in which you can get help to quickly answer whatever question or issue you may have. The EverWeb User Manual is a great place to start, as it explains the EverWeb user interface in detail and how to create your very first website project. The EverWeb User Manual can be accessed right from the project's window when you launch EverWeb, or at any time from the Help EverWeb Manual menu option. There's plenty of information on how to add and edit web pages using long-standing and new EverWeb features, right through to publishing your website on the internet. The EverWeb User Manual is usually updated with each point release, so it's always up to date with any new or improved product features. Tutorial videos are especially useful as they walk you through features and functions of EverWeb easily and quickly. You can also pause the video at any time if you need to. You can access EverWeb's video tutorials directly from EverWeb's projects window by clicking on the Learn How to Use EverWeb button. When you click on the button, you will be taken to the EverWeb video training library that contains over 80 video tutorials. There are also hundreds of other EverWeb video tutorials available on our YouTube channel. Videos are added monthly, so subscribe to our EverWeb video channel to stay updated. The EverWeb discussion forum is the place where you can ask questions to other members of the EverWeb community. You can access the discussion forum directly from EverWeb's help menu, from your EverWeb client area, or at billing.ragesw.com. Categories include feature requests if you have an idea for features that you would like to suggest for inclusion in a future release of EverWeb. There's a How Do I section where you can ask questions about how to achieve your design goals, a bug report section where you can log any problems that you think are a product bug, and a general discussion section for anything else that doesn't fit into the other categories. There are two other useful categories in the forum: the announcement section, which posts news about new product releases, beta test products, and other important EverWeb-related news, and the third-party products and announcements section, where third-party providers announce their own third-party products such as widgets, theme templates, books, and so on. One of the useful help features in EverWeb can be found directly next to many features within the product itself. The help icon is represented by a question mark within a circle. Clicking upon the icon will take you directly to a video tutorial relating to the feature in question. EverWeb's own website serves as a great starting point for those looking to purchase EverWeb, as it outlines all the major features that can be found within the product. The website itself is also useful if you have already purchased EverWeb and need support, or to find other EverWeb-related resources. The Resources and Support menu conveniently group together everything that you may need. The EverWeb website also has its own blog with news on our latest product releases and sometimes a sneak preview or two. There's also another blog on the Rage software website at www.ragesw.com. This blog has an extensive library of articles all about EverWeb. EverWeb's website support menu also features the knowledge base option, which can also be accessed from your EverWeb client area. Here you will find many useful technical and step-by-step how-to-do articles. Just enter the search term in the search box or drill down using one of the listed categories. Knowledge base articles are regularly added and updated on the website. Last but not least is EverWeb's own technical support, which is available if you have an active EverWeb account. If you have a current EverWeb Plus hosting plan, you can also access telephone technical support 7x24 on 1-888-500-2901.